it's NowIamNappy and I'm back doing another skincare video for you guys. A lot of y'all voted for this on my Instagram page when I said that I was running out of lotion and I wanted to make another one, so y'all were like, film it for us, so here we go. All right, the main ingredients are going to be aloe and mango butter. I wanted to try something a little different with no shea butter in it, and this texture came out so perfect, very light, creamy, and it feels amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So let's begin with water. Yep, good old distilled water. Let's go ahead and pour out 234 grams. Next, let's move to aloe. If you have aloe vera plant, you can use this as well. I'll be using aloe juice and I'm going to add 45 grams. Next up, I'm going to be using some glycerin. We're going to use 13.5 grams of glycerin. Now, y'all, I'm trying a new preservative today. I'm really excited about this. It's Geogard Plus, and I'll be adding 4.5 grams. Now, you add this to your water stage, and this can be heated. So this is a really, really nice addition. Now, moving on to our oil phase, I'm going to be using 22.5 grams of my BTMS. Next, we're going to use a co-emulsifier called Stearic Acid. Y'all, this is a thickener and a conditioner as well. Notice it's a different texture than the cetyl alcohol I used, but I'm going to be adding 9 grams. Next, I'll then add the star of the show, mango butter. I'll be adding 45 grams. Next, we're going to be adding aloe butter at 22.5 grams. Y'all, this is a mixture of actually aloe extract and coconut oil. So if you don't have this particular one, just use some coconut oil. All right, we're also going to go with our Babassu oil. We know this can penetrate nice and deep into your skin. I will add 22.5 grams. Then finally, we're going to be using 13.5 grams of pumpkin seed oil. Now, y'all, pumpkin seed is rich in vitamin E, zinc, omega-3, and omega-6 fatty acids, which means it's a wonderful antioxidant. It has tremendous benefits for your skin for retaining moisture, fighting free radicals, and maintaining a youthful appearance. Okay, so let's get into this. Now that we have our oil and water phase, we're going to move over to our double boiler method and melt these down for 20 minutes at 70 degrees Celsius. All right, once they're off the stove, let's go ahead with our emulsion process. Y'all, this is my favorite process. Again, this is chemistry happening. Go ahead and mix your oil phase into your water phase and take out that immersion blender and blend it up. Now you'll notice this mixture is piping hot, and so the mixture still is very liquidy at this point. So you want to let this cool down to about 40 degrees Celsius. So I actually pop this in my fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to get that temperature down. As soon as I've taken it out the fridge, y'all notice how the texture has thickened up so beautifully. And now we can add our cool down ingredients. Now we're going to go in with a special treat here, y'all, because we want to have balm skin, and that is using green tea extract. We're going to add 13.5 grams of green tea extract. Now green tea has amazing anti-aging benefits, and it's great for irritated skin, and it's a potent antioxidant, again, which helps to fight free radicals. So y'all, add this to your recipes, okay? Then finally, we're going to go in with our essential oils as fragrance. We're going to add 4.5 grams of essential oils. And I'm going to be using my lemongrass and orange essential oil. So I'm going to use about 2 to 2.5 grams of each. And that's it. But use whatever you have on hand and that you like to smell like. Now, y'all, blend this one last time. It is nice and thick and creamy. Look at this wonderful texture. Light, fluffy, and it smells so good. Now, y'all, if you're wondering, this makes 2 8-ounce sizes as I have in these jars. And now we can set it aside for about 10 hours as the mixture will completely thicken up within that time frame. All right, y'all, I try to let my lotion sit about 12 hours before I use it, and that's when they become nice, they expand, and it's almost like a whipped, light, creamy texture. I really can't describe it so much as I'm gonna just put it on for y'all. Let me just show you. It's so beautiful. All right, and it absorbs so nicely. I mean, that's really it. I'm not going to do a whole rub down a whole body video. But that's it, you guys. If you have any questions about any of the ingredients, leave it down below in the comment section. If you guys want to see more skincare videos, let me know as well. I'm thinking of doing like a Saturday upload of random like skincare and whatever care videos if you're interested. So let me know as well. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.